Yeah, dude, it's getting too much. It's like ridiculous. I don't know how much it's gonna go any further, but I'm telling you, I'm gonna end it right now. I'm gonna put the nails on the table and end it right now, because we are here. What we're gonna do, we are going to expose things, and whether you like it or not. And we're gonna go back to the video and see. If you want to go back to the video and see, and check like if something is wrong, if something didn't match and anything, you're very much welcome to do so. But the main thing, we are going to end this chapter once and for all, because it's getting too ridiculous. It's getting almost laughable at times, but we are going to end it right here, right now. This Afrocentrist, it's first of all, they live in America. They have never set foot in African ground. Some of them have, but not all of them. The majority of them have never set foot in African ground. Secondly, their forefathers came from Nigeria, Liberia, and that area, and it had nothing to do with North Africa. I don't understand why they even speak about North Africa to begin with. But anyway, since they did, we, the Amazigh, the indigenous people of North Africa, are going to respond. So the only evidence Afrocentrists have is paintings. Paintings from 1800, 1700. It's just paintings. Somebody painted it. I'm going to add some more colors and paint it. That's the only evidence. I don't even know if I can call it evidence. I don't know what kind of evidence is a painting. A painting, a painting from 1800 is not evidence, from the Moors, because the Moors didn't live in the 18th century or 17th century. The Moors lived in 700 AD. 700 AD, not a painting from 18th century. So that's a big problem for Afrocentrists. Okay, so that's case closed. Done. Next one. So let's see what the Moroccans say about this issue. Quoting, "It is true that the Moors were Africans, and there were times in history when the terms African Moor and Berber Amazigh were interchangeable, but claiming that they were dark-skinned or sub-Saharans is nothing but an ideologically motivated lie." Fair enough? Okay, you want more? Okay, no problem. We'll give you more. The more we read, the better we learn together. It's we have all time, we can spend together. So absolutely, let's continue reading. The people of Morocco says, "We Moroccans are familiar with the history of the Islamic invasion of Spain. We know about Tariq ibn Ziyad and his army of Amazighs, and about the Almohads and the Almoravids, But we never refer to them as Moors. The latter is what the Iberians called them Los Moros. They would much later call us Moroccans. The fact that the Iberians referred to both the invaders of Iberia and Northwest Africans with the same term is sufficient proof that they were perceived as one and the same people." So basically what they're saying, what I've read from the text, they're saying that the Iberians referred to the invaders and Northwest Africans, which is Morocco, as same people. So let's see who the Iklan people are and what they have to do with Tuaregs. The Iklan are a caste within Tuareg society who were at one time slaves or servile communities. While the Iklan now speak the same language as the Tuareg nobles and share many customs, they are of assimilated Nilotic origin. Let's go now and see who the Nilotic are. The Nilotic peoples are peoples indigenous to the Nile Valley who speaks Nilotic languages. They inhabit South Sudan, Ethiopia, Uganda, Kenya, Congo, DR Congo, Tanzania. Where on earth does it say North Africa? So the original Tuaregs are Amazigh and the original Moors, Moroccans, are Amazigh. Some people think it has nothing to do with the subject we've talked about, but I'm just gonna mention it because it's very similar to the situation anyway. Some people think that Pharaoh means king. They Google up, they think everything in Google or Wikipedia is accurate. They go to Google and they type Pharaoh. Oh, it means king. Oh, okay, it means king. No, it's not. Doesn't mean king. Pharaoh. It means big house, or more specifically, great house. This is the linguistic meaning of it. It has nothing to do with the term king. They referred to Pharaoh, as a Pharaoh because of his big, ancient houses. Everything used to be big at that time. So Pharaoh literally means great house. So it's similar, confusions among other people, not only, Afrocentrists, not, many other people, I just took this as an example to show you that people can sometimes get confused and mix things up. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching. God bless and goodbye.